let's go down now and do multiply and divide. Well, let's do multiply first because the rules are different. And the rule is for multiplying is the same. Multiply the numerators, and then you also multiply the denominators. Couldn't be easier. All right, an example, 4 over 7 times 2 over 9. Multiply out, 4 2's 8, 7 9's 63. 8 over 63. If we had, say, 4 over 7 times 14 over 20, we could multiply out, or we could do what's called cancelling. So if we've got 4 over 7 times 14 over 20, we can say, righto, looking at this, we know they're both even numbers, so we can divide top and bottom by 2. Now, we put a line through there. 2 into 14 goes 7. 2 into 20 goes 10. And then we can look at doing it on the diagonal. We've got a 7 on the top and a 7 on the bottom. So 7 into 7 goes once. 7 into 7 goes once. We've also got, on the diagonal this way, we've got even numbers. So 2 into 10 goes 5. 2 into 4 goes 2. We then multiply out the numbers that aren't cancelled on the top. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. So 2 on 5. Alternatively, we could have just multiply out. 4 14s are 56 over 7 20s, 140. And then we could start cancelling down. It looks as though, say, 8 will go into top and bottom. 8 into 56 goes 7. 8 into 140 goes once, and 6 and 8 won't go in there. Okay, 8's not going to go in there. So let's try another number. Let's try 2 into 56 goes 28. 2 into that goes 70. And then we can say, right, look at that. We've got 7 will go into both of those. 7 into 28 goes 4. 7 into 70 goes 10. And then we could go 2 again. 2 into 4 goes 2. 2 into 10 goes 5. We still end up with the same number as we got over here. So there are a number of ways to do those. You can either multiply out and then cancel, or you can cancel and then multiply out. Lastly, we've got divide. It's a different rule to multiplying, and the divide says the change divide to multiply and flip the last fraction. Okay, so if we've got 4 on 9 divided by 2 over 3. Change the divide to a times, so we write the first fraction down as it is. Change the divide to a multiply, and then flip the last fraction. So this is the last fraction, well, it's the fraction in front of the divide, so we flip these two. 3 over 2. And now we just proceed as though it's a multiplication. We can either multiply out and then cancel, or we can look at trying to cancel. Nothing will cancel top and bottom, but we can do diagonal cancelling. We can see that 3 will divide into both those numbers evenly. and we can see 2 divides into both those numbers evenly. So we get an answer of 2/3. Alternatively, if we go back the other way, just to show you another way, we could multiply first. 4 times 3 is 12, over 9 times 2 is 18, and then we can look at that and say, well, 6 is going to go into top and bottom, 6 into 12, 2, 6 into 18 goes 3, and we still get 2/3 like we've got over there. If we've got a mixed number, we should probably do one of those, and if we've got, say, 2 4/5 divided by 1 7/8, we firstly make them into improper fractions. 5 2s are 10, plus 4 is 14 over 5, divided by 8 1s are 8, and 7 is 15 over 8. And now we apply the multiplication, or the division, which means we make this into a multiply. We write the first one down as is, and we flip this one, 8 over 15. And it looks like we've got no cancelling going on here. Nothing will go in top and bottom, even diagonally won't go in, so we simply multiply out. So 8 4 is 32, 8 1s are 8, and 3 is 11, and 5 times 15 is 75. And we should make that into a mixed number. 75 into that goes once, and we've got, 37 left over. Okay, looks a bit ugly, but we've got to be prepared for numbers that don't quite work out to be too nice. So multiply, divide are a little bit different, and add and subtract. Add and subtract, you just use the same rule, and then we need to remember improper mixed number, numerator and denominator.